Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Bert and Ernie. So these are limited edition. So this is the front cover of Bert's.
Can you show us?
And it's nice because it has him and a pigeon stealing one of his bottle caps, and Ernie's front cover is nice because it has Ernie's favorite thing, his rubber ducky, and it's nice because he has it by the bathtub, like he's ready to take a bath. And it's nice because of that, and it looks cute about him. And that's the back. Okay, so the one we're gonna open. So the one we're gonna open first is Ernie, because he. Okay, and then so this is what the thing looks like for Ernie's thing right there, and this is what the toy looks like. He has a C for his weather, and I like the little picture which has Bert and Ernie. You could see that from the thing, and he comes with his favorite thing, and the rubber ducky what we talked about a few things ago. And so it's nice because of that, and it's also nice that he has a friend in it, and that was cool because if he has his rubber ducky, that means it could, because that's his friend from Sesame Street. And so he and so he comes with and then so the hands are pretty large. So I need the scissors, what would help me cut the thing so then Ernie could be free like a cheetah. So you need to cut it carefully so then you don't cut the character. So that's one arm. The other arm is going to be a little bit hard, but it's going to be easy for me. Okay, so whatever. I'll just do this side. That one was easy, and it's time for the hand. So this is kind of hard because you don't want to cut the doll. It's a trick. So when it's hard to get him out because this is what he looks like, and he is pretty hard to move because he just got been open, and so and he has so much articulation because of his feet, and it really gives the detail when his shoe is all dirty because you can see that, and it looks nice because he has changeable hands. The changeable hands are nice, and the way to see it goes like the theme like one of the characters saying Neca and so it is kind of hard to pull these out because it's in this type of plastic thing. And so this is the picture of him. It really has some detail, and on the back you can hang it up somewhere, and it could be a Bert and Ernie picture of him. And here are the hands. They look nice because you could put them on Ernie's hand, and it could be fun because you can make him hold it with his rubber ducky. So the way to see is from Neca because it has the K for KA, and so the rubber ducky's stiff in there, but I think I can get this head out. The only point is the ear. The ear keeps it back. Can you help me? And so Ernie is his body looks good because of his feet and of his changeable head, what he has to make his head open and sing blah blah blah, and he comes with his favorite person on earth, rubber ducky. Don't you see?
Get close.
Don't you see him? Because he has the mini rubber ducky. And so, put Ernie aside because now we're opening Butt.
Oh my goodness.
Now, now we'll go to...
Open it this way.
And then, so this is the cover of it. And so this is what it looks like because of his, it is bottle cap collection. And this is Butt, and it comes with the letter A for Neca, and he comes with a few other changeable hands like Ernie did. So let's open him up. Okay, so Butt has a lot of lots of articulation like Ernie, and so like this is the one thing that is gonna be, and so like so here is what it looks like in the package. So I need to get Butt out because I just wanted to get Butt's head out first, and it's and he has interchangeable eyebrows.
Show us closer.
And so like you could take off his eyebrows and you could put it on with these eyebrows, but it has him, and that's a fun feature about that. And then so to get him out, it's pretty hard because you have to push your thumb down here and then you have to pull it out like this, like he's a zombie. Blech. And so like, and then you need to like get the foot out like that, get the foot out, and it's pretty much hard to get him out when he looks like dead, and so it is, and this is what Butt looks like, and because he has interchangeable eyebrows, he and Ernie are now going to rule the world. Just kidding. And so since we got Butt out and his interchangeable eyebrows with the cool feature, we need to get out his hands. One hand's like this to show about his paperclip collection, which one he likes, what I thought of.
Can you show me the paperclip collection?
And the paperclip collection.
Do you have a bottle cap thing, Mateo? Do you have a bottle cap collection?
Yeah, I do. And I meant actually I keep on mixing it up with the paper clips and the bottle cap. The bottle cap because he can hold the bottle cap, and this is what it looks like because it's a frame, and this is the Boring Storybook with Butt reads. I don't know why, but it's a Boring Story, and so because that's why it's called Boring Stories, and so this is a but remember how Butt likes pigeons? Butt likes pigeons, and here is the pigeon from Butt's set, and the letter A is from Neca, and he got his own like Ernie got his. And for his paperclip collection, it comes like this, and it comes with a box that can seal his clip collection, and so he could have it, and that's what it looks like.
Oh, it opens and closes.
Yeah, and these are the characters. Here's Butt, the character. He looks like he's gonna be a suspect when you go out. Just kidding. And that's it all for today. And if this video gets 5,000 likes, I would unbox the account, like, so I can subscribe. Bye.